Hello, everyone. Thanks for coming back to another vlog. Good to see you.
Okay.
Today, we're just going to make a munchy snack. This was invented by a friend of mine when I was in high school. Hello, Mama.
Okay, nakat naman.
So, these are the ingredients, and this is a great snack, and you can mix it up any way you want. Doritos, nacho cheese, Prego, or your favorite spaghetti or pizza sauce works fine too. Parmesan cheese. This is the key to a happy life.
Okay.
Mexican four cheese. We're going to sprinkle a little of that on. And always a big cold glass of milk.
See?
Okay, we're going to try something a little bit different this time. You take your Doritos, instead of putting them on a plate, put them in a bowl, crush them up real small.
Okay.
Just put a thin layer at the bottom of the bowl.
Okay.
Our pizza sauce is all cooked nice and hot. And then we add it. Get it all mixed in there real well. We're going to add another layer of Doritos after we add the cheese.
Oh. It's like a lasagna.
This way we can mix everything up real good now. Now we add a little bit of Parmesan.
It's like a lasagna.
Oh, yeah. And then we're going to add cheddar cheese, mozzarella, whatever you like. This is a mixture of all four. And then we'll add just a little bit more Doritos on top. Get our spoon, crush it up, mix it up. Crush it up and mix it up. It's going to be so good. Yes. Very good. Crush it all in there. Mix it around. Now, we'll add our last layer of sauce. Get it all out of there. There we go. Very good. Now add just a little more cheese. Again, the main thing is to mix it all really well so it's consistent. Okay, now we're going to add just a little bit more Doritos because we got a pretty good bit of sauce.
Okay.
And a lot of cheese in there. So, you know, we want some substance, not just a bowl of sauce. And might add just a little pinch more cheese. I love the cheese. Throw that in there. Mix it all up. Break up the Doritos a little bit so we can eat it with a spoon. I used to eat these off of a plate, but it's really messy, so I found it mixing it into a bowl makes it a little bit easier to eat. I think it makes it a little more consistent too. So, now we got Doritos,
Yes.
pizza, spaghetti sauce, whatever makes you happy. Jesus. Add a little bit more Parmesan. And ta-da. Give it a bite. See what we got here.
Ay. Let's eat. Mine
Absolutely.
is
Delicious. Thanks for watching my vlog. Now you know how to make pizza, Dorito, junk food, whatever it's called. And as always, a marapongit is a boang nut.
nice.